Picture this, it's a sunny Sunday afternoon. You've just turned the key to the front door of a house, your house. The scent of freshly painted walls, the echoes of your footsteps in the empty rooms. Excitement, freedom, accomplishment. That's what owning a home feels like. But do you know what it takes to get there? It's not just about finding a house you like and signing some papers. Today, we're diving into the world of real estate, where making an intelligent choice can be the difference between owning your dream home and facing a financial nightmare. We will explore the 4 key factors you need to consider before you take that monumental step of buying a home. These factors could be the secret to turning that dreamy Sunday vision into reality without risking a financial hangover. So, let's start on this journey to homeownership, because it's not just about buying a house, but finding a home. Now, the first and foremost factor, and perhaps the golden rule in real estate, is location, location, location. You've probably heard it before, but have you ever considered why it's so important? A home's location is more than just a spot on a map. It's the community you're joining, the daily commute you'll be making, the nearby amenities you'll enjoy, and even the potential increase in your property's value. Consider this, you could have the most stunning house, but if it's located hours away from your work, or if your kids have to spend a long time commuting to school every day, it could overshadow the home's appeal pretty quickly. Not to mention, having conveniences such as grocery stores, healthcare facilities, parks and entertainment venues nearby can significantly impact your quality of life. Moreover, location plays a pivotal role in the value of your property. A home in a sought-after neighborhood can hold its value and appreciate much better over time, even in a down market, compared to a similar home in a less desirable area. So, how do you assess a location? Well, you can start by taking a tour of the neighborhood, both physically and virtually. See what the daily commute might look like, check the proximity of essential amenities, and even chat with potential neighbors to get a sense of community. Research the area's crime statistics. There are many resources online for this. Lastly, look at any future development plans for the area. New schools, infrastructure developments, or shopping complexes can significantly boost property values. Moving on to our second crucial factor, let's talk about affordability. While buying a home is a thrilling milestone, it's also one of the most significant financial commitments you'll ever make. It's essential to ensure you're financially prepared for this venture, and it goes beyond just being able to make the initial down payment. When considering affordability, you need to look at the whole picture. Of course, there's the price of the house, but don't forget the additional costs that often catch many homeowners off guard. You'll have to factor in mortgage payments, the down payment, insurance, property taxes, utilities, and, let's not forget, the ongoing maintenance costs. You'll also want to be prepared for any unexpected repairs or emergencies. So, how do you know if you're financially ready? First, look at your income, savings, and current expenses. Make sure to budget for not just the mortgage, but all the other costs of owning a home. Use online calculators to determine what you can afford. And remember that generally, housing expenses should not exceed 30% of your gross monthly income. Finally, getting pre-approved for a loan can be incredibly helpful. It will give you a clear idea of what you can afford and show sellers you're serious and ready to buy. It's like having a VIP pass in the competitive world of real estate. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing what you can afford allows you to find a home within your means, avoiding potential financial stress. Let's pivot now to our third key factor, the size and layout of your potential home. While it might seem obvious, the physical attributes of a home can significantly influence your lifestyle and thus are critical to consider. Think about it. If you plan to grow your family, that cozy 2-bedroom cottage might not cut it down the line. Conversely, if you're empty nesters, a sizable 5-bedroom home may be more space than you need, leading to unnecessary upkeep and costs. Also, given the rise of remote work, you might need to account for home office space or a large backyard for pets. Your home should not suit just your current lifestyle, but your plans as well. When evaluating a home's layout, nothing beats a good old-fashioned walkthrough. If that's not possible, virtual tours are the next best thing. Pay attention to the flow of the rooms, the amount of natural light, storage options, and overall functionality. Picture your daily life in the house. Where would you drink your morning coffee? Where would the kids play? However, while some changes can be made to a home after purchase, major renovations can be costly and time-consuming. Getting an estimate of renovation costs before you make a final decision is always a good idea. Sometimes, a house with a less than perfect layout could become your dream home with some creativity and planning. Just ensure these potential changes are financially feasible and worthwhile for you. And now, we come to our final, but by no means least important factor, the real estate market conditions. Like the stock market, the real estate market can ebb and flow, affected by various economic factors. Understanding these conditions can significantly impact when and what you decide to buy. While we won't delve into specific numbers or data, it's important to understand general trends since they could change over time. For instance, in a seller's market, more people may be looking to buy homes than homes available, leading to higher home prices and quick sales. On the other hand, a buyer's market occurs when there are many homes for sale, but fewer buyers, potentially giving you more negotiating power and time to decide. To assess the local market conditions, you can research online or in local newspapers, which often cover real estate trends. Look for information on average home prices in your desired area, how long homes stay on the market, and whether homes typically sell for their asking price. This is where a real estate agent can be a game changer. They can provide insights into market conditions you might not find on your own, like the competition in your desired area or upcoming policy changes that could affect home prices. Their expertise can help you time your purchase, negotiate better, and ultimately make an informed decision. Buying a home is a significant decision. Having a professional by your side can make the journey much smoother and more successful. In our video today, we've unpacked the intricate process of acquiring a house, which demands meticulous contemplation and strategy. We dove into critical aspects like choosing the perfect location, assessing affordability, considering the space and design, and comprehending the trends in the real estate market. These factors intertwine in a complex dance, collaboratively sculpting the blueprint of your future home. I encourage you to not rush this process. Reflect deeply on each aspect and approach your decisions with a grounded, informed perspective. Enlist the help of industry professionals like real estate brokers and financial consultants, whose knowledge and practical experience can be invaluable guides. Keep in mind that a house is not just a shelter. It represents a substantial financial commitment and, even more importantly, marks a significant stage in your journey. Therefore, choosing a home that reflects both your financial capacity and lifestyle aspirations is paramount. If you found value in this content, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss our future insights. We also encourage your thoughts and questions, so feel free to leave a comment below. If you haven't already, check out our previous video, 6 Key Factors That Affect Your Credit Score, to further understand the financial implications of home ownership. Here's to making informed and beneficial decisions on your journey to finding the perfect home.